Hello everyone. I myself Saurabh Pandey, a final year student or diploma in civil engineering at Faculty of Engineering Bhagirathi Institute. Today I am going to introduce you to a topic named passive solar buildings. Under the guidance of Sonam ma'am, before starting this main presentation, let me first give you an example. So, recently we have all knows that we have heard in news from our Prime Minister, Mr. Narendra Modi. He has recently launched a solar power park project in Gujarat. And though this project, India is going to generate more than 30,000 megawatt electricity, that is renewable electricity, which will give a huge boost to renewable energy in India. With taking it as a reference, let me start my topic. So, as the word is not demanding and focusing on zero energy and zero emission, buildings are rapidly drawing attention. What is passive solar buildings? So, these means a comfortable homes that gets at least part of its heating, cooling, lighting energy from the sun. To make a passive solar buildings, it is designed to use the energy of sun, its material, building works together to create energy. For this, we have required large windows, solid walls, water, fans, and overhangs. There are lots of benefits of passive solar buildings. These are investment, value, maintenance, and comfort. The necessity of passive solar buildings are to save energy by maximizing the home natural heating. They design very important role in reducing the greenhouse emission in our society. There are lots of features of passive solar buildings. It uses the basic design to trap heat when needed. So it keeps the house cool in summer and hot in winter. It also picks up lot of free heat in winter from sunlight. For an example, zero energy building, which is also abbreviated as ZEB. It consumption and zero carbon emission annually. It also reduces carbon emission. It builds remain uncommon even in development countries. For the development of zero energy buildings, no any ZEB regulations or standard required. Existing energy conservation program or not any existing green building label system. Here, efficiency and solar is equals to ZEB. First efficiency, then solar. Together, they can make a big difference. Super efficient plus solar is equals to zero energy building. Net zero is quite important as buildings are the largest energy consumers. For example, in United States, the 40% of primary energy, 72% of electricity, and 55% of natural gas is included. There are very advantages of going zero energy. These are money savings, greater comfort, better quality of life, less use and less maintenance, and also long-lasting heating and cooling equipments. Here are some pictures of next generation zero energy research homes. The conclusion is that we are saw about how to save energy. In this way, we are follows to reduce uses of electricity and also will help us to our future generation. Thank you. Have a nice day.